How to install Steel HR. To install, you'll need the watch and a compatible smartphone or tablet. There should be no need to charge before install. Just make sure to peel the clear protective film off the back of the watch, as this can impede charging. To start the install, make sure you have the free HealthMate app on your smartphone or tablet. Open and select Get Started if you haven't. Then, select your model watch from the list. Tap Install to get started. If you forgot to turn Bluetooth on, you'll be prompted to do so at this time. Put your watch close to your iOS or Android device. Tap Next. When prompted, enter the 6-digit code you'll see displayed on the watch screen. And tap Pair. The HealthMate app will connect to your watch and will upgrade it to the latest firmware if necessary. Keep your watch close to the phone and don't leave the app while this is happening. Once this is done, it prompts you to calibrate the hands. To do so, perform the following steps. Slide your finger on the wheel displayed in the app until the minute hand reaches the 0 mark. Tap Next. Slide your finger on the wheel displayed in the app until the hour hand reaches the 0 mark. Tap Next. Slide your finger on the wheel displayed in the app until the activity hand reaches the 0 mark. Tap Next. The watch hands will move to display the current time. Tap Done, and you're ready to start tracking activity. Still need help? Visit health.nokia.com/support.